You cannot tell me I don't look like the girl in True Beauty right now, because with the glasses on, the acne, we look like twins. I'm gonna show you guys how to do her makeup today. I did it on TikTok and a lot of people actually really liked it. It kind of blew up, so I want to show it to you guys on YouTube, like a full-length detailed tutorial, because so many people were asking for it, so I thought my YouTube channel would love it as well. And if you guys have watched True Beauty, whose team are you on? So in the drama, she did wear color contacts. I chose the most natural ones I could find, so I'm already wearing them. They are the Hapa Kristins in Stay Focused Kristen Grays, and I know they're gray, but they're super natural. It kind of just enhances my brown eyes, honestly. My primer today, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops.
좋아.
I'm using the VDL Perfect Lasting Foundation. You can get this on Guest Style. I recently hauled this, and then this is the Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. Whatever you apply on your face, you want to blend to your neck as well. Personally, for me, I feel like this foundation is so full coverage that I'm going to skip out on the concealer. And also in the drama, she didn't really use concealer, so I'm going to totally skip that step. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild translucent powder and kind of just powder the areas on my face where I get the most oily. I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow. You guys already know I love this stuff. I'm going to do this step off camera, but you're gonna try to make your brows literally as straight as possible. I don't have that straight of brows, but I'm gonna try my best. For your eye color, you just want to go in with something very simple. This is the 3CE Overtake eyeshadow palette. This is a very light brown. It's just going to give you a little bit of a color on your lids. It kind of just acts as a little bit of definition for your eyes. Then taking the same shade, you want to blend it down to your lower lash line. Tell me your mind. Then you're going to take any medium tone of brown. I was going to use this one for right now, but usually I like to use the VT Cosmetics one. It's a pretty nice medium tone of brown, but this is just more accessible right now. Line my lower lash line. So I'm not sure if everyone has this flap right here, but I have it, and she has it as well. Hers is very accentuated. So we're just going to make that little, like, you see that little, like, I don't want to call it fat, but like that little flap. Take some contour, but you just kind of follow it. If you have it, just follow it naturally, and it just kind of helps create a bigger shadow underneath it. I noticed on hers, she didn't use a sparkly eyeshadow. You can totally use like a really bright matte eyeshadow. I'm just going to use a sparkly one because that's the one I have on hand. But she does highlight the inner corners just with a very matte creamy shadow. For liner, I'm literally just going to follow my natural eye shape and then put on some false lashes. And that'll be all for my eyes. I'll be right back. I don't know about you guys, I was really tired of seeing my ugly face in a ponytail. I hate my face in a ponytail, it's just not my look. So, put down my hair. We're gonna put on some bronzer so I look like I got some color in me. We're gonna use this. This is the Too Cool Art Class bronzer. I told you guys I've been loving this. I'm gonna use this to contour my nose and contour around my face. I laid eyes on you. I'll give you everything. In exchange, she does actually put highlighter on her nose. It's just, again, like the highlighters they use like on her eyes and on her nose. It's almost like they use like a matte powder to highlight rather than a shimmery one, but I actually really like this one. This is the Mercier Matte Radiance Highlighter. It's not matte, but it gives you like the lightest, it's not even shimmer. It's just really nice for a nose contour. It's like the perfect highlight for a nose contour. For blush, I'm going to use the Peripera Pure Blush in Sunshine Cheek, and this is the shade 05. I'm using a big brush like this and kind of sweeping the blush up because that's just kind of how she did it. For my lip color, I'm actually going to use this too. She uses like a lip tint, then also a lipstick, so you can pretty much use whatever you want. But she does use a redder lip shade, so I'm taking 3CE. This is their Velvet Lip Tints. I'm taking both of them. One is in Daffoldil and the other one is in Nude. So I'm going to do the gradient lip trend. What you do is take your darker red, it's in the middle, and then you take Nude. You take a light layer of this and you just outline or kind of put it on the outer part of the rest of your lips. To blend everything together a little bit more, I'm taking Going Right. This is the finished result.